we're going to be looking at properties of exponents. So I have two questions up here. The fifth one has a combination of right here in the top is multiplication, and then you have a division fraction bar. So we're doing multiplying and dividing for this one. Now, when you have exponents and you're multiplying, when you have those, make sure that you add the exponents together. So one of the ways the rule's written is like this, where if you multiply, you have to add those exponents. Now, I'm going to do the top part of this, and then we have 2 times 8. That's going to be 16. I'm not going to add the numbers. Same rules for multiplying numbers, always and forever will be the same. Then we have x to the third and x to the fifth. If we add those together, we're going to get x to the eighth. So that's going to be on top, and then we're going to have 4x to the sixth on the bottom. Now, opposite of multiplying exponents, you have dividing. When you divide exponents and have a fraction, what's happening is you're going to be subtracting those exponents. So in this case, it's 16x to the eighth over 4x to the sixth. So you're going to divide your numbers. So for this one, we're going to have 4, 16 divided by 4. And then x to the eighth divided by x to the sixth is going to be x squared. So that's going to make our answer number 3. Now the second one has another property, and it's when you have a power of another power. So the other one is if you have a power and then you have that whole power raised to another power, what this means is you're going to be multiplying m times m because you have that many of those exponents. So to display this, I'll take the 10w to the third. Now there's 2 of those whole quantities in the parentheses. So that means that we got 10w to the third times 10w to the third, because there's 2 of those. And this is going to be over 5w. Now in the top, we got 100, because 10 squared would be 100. And w to the third times 2 would be w to the sixth. And that's going to be over 5w. Now again, like above, we're going to use this division property again. Divide your numbers, we get 20. And then we have w to the fifth, which happens to be answer number 3. So, again, the rules for exponents can be confusing, but the more you do those problems and recognize how they look, they get easier and easier to do.